The battle against COVID-19 this year has been tumultuous to say the least. From ravaging second wave to the outbreak of Omicron, we take a look at how 2021 was riddled by the invisible enemy. At number 9 are Google's COVID-19 search trends. Tech giant Google released a list of top searches of the year. On the list, people looked for ways to recover from the pandemic. How to heal was the most searched this year. Also, the search interest for COVID vaccine was higher than COVID testing. People looked up answers for how to download COVID vaccine certificate and how to increase oxygen levels. At number 8, in such difficult times, IPL would have been a big relief from boredom as COVID forced everyone to keep themselves confined in their living rooms. But sadly, COVID-19 played spoilsport. Players and staff members of various teams tested positive for the virus. The BCCI suspended the IPL and shifted the extravaganza event to the UAE. Number 7 on our list is WHO's clean chit to China. The development didn't come as a surprise. Over 1 year after the outbreak in Wuhan, with authoritarian Xi Jinping at the helm, no genuine probe on COVID-19 was possible in China. Even as the world believed in the Wuhan lab leak theory, the sham findings by WHO was derided by the world. At number 6, Prime Minister Modi rolled out the world's biggest vaccination drive on January 16. The second wave was just around the corner and a vaccine shot was the need of the hour. The first phase of pan-India rollout started with the frontline workers receiving the jabs, and over time, it was open for the general population as well. By the year end, 60% of India's eligible population were vaccinated with both the jabs. At number 5, we have a choking, heart-rending story for you. Panic, anxiety and chaos unfolded in the country as the second wave spread like a wildfire. The nation had run out of oxygen as COVID's Delta variant was wreaking havoc. The healthcare infrastructure was literally on its knees. And on record, the Modi government denied any deaths due to oxygen shortage. At number 4, crematoriums were overburdened, burial grounds were packed. With no place to bury or cremate, the COVID bodies were dumped in Ganga. Revered by millions of Indians, many bodies were floating in the river. A symbol of divinity, purity and moksha, Ganga witnessed the devastating effect of the second wave. At number 3, a mother lost her son, a daughter lost her mother, and in total the nation lost 1.69 lakh people in the brutal second wave of coronavirus that swept the country in April and May. Those 2 months were the darkest years for India. The Delta variant caught everyone off guard and the system collapsed. At number 2, October 11 is a red letter day. India gained access to the elite club of nations that administered 100 crore doses. Since the dawn of the pandemic, India has shown its grit and determination to defeat the virus. To protect its citizens, the nation took on an arduous and formidable task of vaccinating the population on January 16. In just 9 months, 100 crore doses were administered. And topping the list of our COVID-19 wrap is Omicron. The super COVID variant is spreading like wildfire. Discovered in November, the world is racing against the spread of the virus and a tsunami of Omicron cases hitting the global healthcare system. The Omicron has delayed the road to recovery, and for people, it's another year, another wave.